The empty box method, Amazon's secret refund policy. You ever wished you could get a freebie from Amazon without getting banned? There's a legit loophole that customer service reps themselves rarely talk about. It's called the empty box method. And before you ask, no, it's not illegal if you do it right. But you have to follow these rules exactly. Screw this up and your account gets flagged. Let's break it down. Step 0. This only works on items sold and shipped by Amazon, not third-party sellers. Check this line right here. Step 1. Order a light, small product. Think AirPods, video games, cosmetics, not a 85-inch TV. Pro tip, add gift wrapping. It makes your story more believable. Wait for it to be delivered, then wait 2 more days. This is crucial. Don't contact them the second it's marked delivered. Now, the main event. You call or live chat customer service. Be super nice. Start with, "Hi, how are you today? Hi there, I hope you're having a good day. I need a little help with a recent order. I bought," product name examp, "as a birthday gift for my brother." Then you hit them with the story. You have to sound genuinely embarrassed and confused. "So we opened the box together and I'm so embarrassed to say this, but it was completely empty. Just the empty box. I had to run out and buy another one last minute. I've never had this happen before. I'm a loyal customer. I'm just not sure what to do." Now, here is the most important part. The rep will ask you this question. You must answer no. You say, "No, the box looked perfectly fine. No tears, nothing." If you say yes, they launch a carrier investigation and you're done. Stick to the story. After that, 9 times out of 10, they'll apologize and process a refund immediately. No questions asked. You keep the empty product, which you obviously already have. What if they push back? Just stay kind and confused. Stick to your story. If things go really south, you have one backup. Just say, "Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I just checked with my family member and they actually took it out of the box without telling me. I'll return it immediately." Then just send it back, no harm, no foul. Warning, only do this on very old, established accounts with years of order history. Brand new accounts will get banned. This is a one-time trick per account, maybe 2. Don't get greedy. Like this video if you want more secret loopholes, and comment down below if you want a tutorial on how to get free shipping forever. Subscribe for more.